Welcome to my little country kitchen. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. This is how I plated up our personal Thanksgiving for 2 people at home. This is the first plating option. Tell me which do you like more, this one? This is the second plating option. Write in the comments which one's better. And before I get to eating mine, I added, as you can see, the cranberry conserve that I made back in January of this year. It is so yummy. It has cranberries, dried fruit. I honestly can't remember what else is in it, but go check out that video. We'll link it in the description below so you can taste that as well. Prep anything ahead of time that you can, right? Okay, now my plate is more complete. Don't you think?
I'm guessing he's out that way.
There you go. Yummy. And for dessert, we made lemon pie, the North Carolina way, and also some sweet potatoes. Okay, these aren't quite done yet. I'm going to give them about 10 more minutes, and I added more butter and more sugar on the top so it will caramelize. Okay, these are looking amazing. Let me taste it. Okay, too hot, too hot. Let it cool off for a sec. Okay, these are cooled down now, so we're gonna try these. A little bit of pineapple, a little bit of yam.
Right.
Way better.
Right.
Next time I'm gonna boil them first and then put them in the roaster so they go a little faster in the oven.
Find the right upper.
Yummy. Tell me, how was your Thanksgiving? We put our turkey, did a dry rub on it with this hickory smoked sea salt. It's really yummy. Try it next time, or maybe for Christmas. See?
Right.
Bye, guys. It was amazing second dinner Saturday. Thank you so much. Bree did an amazing job. It's great to see everyone and play games and eat yummy food.